Cells contain specialized structures called organelles that perform specific functions in growth, maintenance, repair and control. These organelles create compartments within cells and enable complex cellular processes to occur efficiently. The nucleus is the largest structure in the cell, typically spherical or oval in shape. It contains hereditary units called genes arranged on chromosomes. Human cells contain 46 chromosomes in 23 pairs. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope. The nuclear envelope consists of a phospholipid bilayer with nuclear pores. These pores allow ions and water-soluble molecules to pass between the nucleus and cytoplasm. Inside the nucleus, spherical bodies called nucleoli serve as sites for ribosome biogenesis. Inside the nucleus, spherical nucleoli are sites for ribosome production. Chromosomes contain DNA molecules, which are sequences of nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar molecule, phosphate group, and nitrogen-containing base. DNA has 4 bases: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Ribosomes are essential cellular structures responsible for protein synthesis. These molecular machines read genetic information from messenger RNA and assemble amino acids into proteins according to the DNA instructions. Ribosomes can be found floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. In summary, organelles work together in a coordinated system. The nucleus contains genetic information on chromosomes made of DNA. Nuclear pores regulate molecular transport. Nucleoli produce ribosomes, which then synthesize proteins according to genetic instructions. This cellular organization enables growth, maintenance and control of cellular functions.